Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the overview videos for my game Invasion. In this part I'm going to talk about the code involved in making the game, so things like class design, the project structure, and the reasons behind some technical decisions I made making the game. So right off the bat, let's jump into the structure behind the project. As you can see, I've tried my best to maintain a strong structure of inheritance throughout the game. The base class, from which all other classes are derived from, is GameSprite. This holds the basic variables and methods that are used commonly throughout all of the main classes in the game. So it holds variables for textures, positions, and things like if the derived class will be working with animated sprites or not. It also holds the methods common across sprites in a game, such as update and draw methods and initializations for both unanimated and animated sprites. Directly derived from GameSprite, we have the two main components to the gameplay, towers and enemies. These are quite basic classes that again hold specific data relevant to the class. So the tower would have fields for costs and HP, whereas an enemy would have fields for its AI states and damage. There's then further specialization down the tree when we get into specific enemies and towers. Now it should be apparent that there is a huge amount of stuff that we need to manage here. And the way I deal with it is by creating a game manager class which holds references to every object in the game and manages them depending on the game state. So if the game was playing, it would update all the objects. If it was paused, it would maintain their information until the user pressed play again. I didn't just stop at a game manager. I also created a player class to manage towers, a wave manager to manage a list of wave class objects, which in turn manage enemies. So you can see there's quite a lot going on. Another big thing about the game, which I briefly discussed in the first video, was the fact it's a Silverlight with XNA hybrid application. So basically when the gameplay was complete, I wanted to do something unique for my menus, so I migrated the application to incorporate some Silverlight functionality for my menu system. So it's faster, tidier, and basically allowed me to create a cool sort of learn how to play page for the game called the Armory. Of course, making the change required some work. A lot of the game elements you would find in a standard XNA game change. If you migrate to using Silverlight, it means you have to work with event handlers, example pages, and require switching between different rendering devices to draw Silverlight and XNA, but I think it was worth it in the end. Well guys, that's pretty much it. I hope this gave you more of an insight into the work involved technically for the game, and I hope you enjoy playing the game itself. So thanks for your time.